Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to go through Kiwi CAD as it is on our watch list this week due to the strength and weakness tables and the commitment of trader reports. So in the commitment of traders reports, we've previously spoken throughout the past couple of weeks of the long signal that we're currently seeing on the New Zealand dollar, which is quite strong. So we want to be looking to buy the Kiwi as the commercials see that currency as good value. So if they see that as good value, they will be buying long contracts in that currency, which typically leads to a reversal in the current strength or weakness of a currency. So in this case with the New Zealand dollar, the current weakness should be turning into some strength. Now I'm on the monthly time frame of Kiwi CAD. CAD on the strength and weak table showed to be the weakest currency last week. That was largely due to the surprise shock in the oversupply of crude oil inventories. That really pushed the Canadian dollar lower. So if that's going to continue, this chart could be one to watch. And just looking at the monthly time frame here, we can see that the market is in largely a range. Okay, so between these lows around about the 8,230s all the way up into the highs around about the 9,650s, around that sort of area. Okay, now in that case as well, we want to be building some confluence around this area. So we've got the kind of fundamental analysis there with the commitment to trade reports, the strength and weakness tables. So just looking at the chart in general, and I just want to bring your attention to the RSI. Now there's a few times where this market entered the oversold category on the RSI, and what actually happened with the reaction. So back in August 2015, when the market came down into this level and we went oversold, the market rallied back up into those range highs. The second time this happened in November 2017, we rallied back up into these key lows just through there, around about the 9312s, where the market sort of had that consolidation breakout retest area. And then the last time it came back down into the zone again and rallied once more. So looking at where the RSI is, the fact that it's turning up at this key support zone with the fundamental analysis from the commitment of trader reports, this market could easily push back higher. Couple of different areas it could go to, so it could even go to these lows in here around about the 8,720s, or it could push higher into the previous swing highs around about the 9,297, so maybe 9,300s, or if it does want to go all the way back up to that range high in there. Okay, so some confluences there that we can add to this market, looking for those long positions. So just going down to those lower time frames now, and what can we see going on at the minute? Well, on the daily, for instance, or sorry, I'll jump to the weekly first. We have a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame, suggesting that we could see some upside. Going down to that daily time frame, nice change in nearly a change in cycle. The market hasn't quite formed a higher high or closed above these previous highs just yet, but we could see that happening this week. Going down to the 4-hour time frame, what I've marked up really is the previous swing area. So this is where the market previously retraced. So I want to see the market come down and test in this zone. If it does come and test in this zone, then what I'm going to be looking for is some bullish price action to go long in the market. First targets are going to be back at these highs, obviously, because the market banned resistance there before. Second targets are going to be up at the next point of resistance. So looking back through here, we're going to look all the way back up towards those 8.7s area, or even the 8.6s. Okay, so looking for a change in cyclicity here. There's been a nice change in the 4-hour time frame, just waiting for that to follow through. We can either go down to a lower time frame and have a little look in further detail. So what we really want to see, the RSI has gone oversold again. If we can see some kind of divergence here, so if the price forms a lower low and the RSI forms a higher low, maybe something like this, then we can look for a RSI divergence trade going forward. Okay, so that's Kiwi CAD breakdown from the very top to the very bottom. I hope you enjoyed this video breakdown. If you did and want to see more trading content, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for supporting the channel, and I'll speak to you soon.